right? Like FaZe was never a person, it was the group. That's what FaZe always has been, right? So it's always the collective of people, like-minded people that share a similar vision and are actually friends in real life and care about each other. So I just hope that Max, Ron, Jason, Lacey, Alex, Silky, Case on Rage. Did I miss anybody? I don't think I did. I hope not. But I hope they all just double down on their camaraderie, right? And they make sure that they're actually friends and actually care about each other and actually there for each other, and they don't let nothing get in between them. Of course, the Go Bepsi, how could I forget? And FaZe Mike, of course, right? I just